Welcome to Western University, in beautiful London, Ontario. On this episode of the Worst Food Review channel on YouTube, our intrepid host Dave is in search of a vending machine that serves up fresh hot pizza. Dave is officially banned from the grounds, as it is commonly believed that him being on campus could single-handedly reduce the IQ of the entire faculty and student body. Previously known as the University of Western Ontario. Established in 1878, in what was a rural area, outside of the City of London, Western has become a world-class institution, attracting over 32,000 students annually, many of them from outside Canada.
Dave has researched the location on Google Maps, established the operating hours are 24 a day. He has also been in direct contact with Pizza Forno, the owner on the vending machine. Furthermore, Dave has enlisted the services of a local guide, a former student of UWO, his nephew Jordan, who may have seen on the Kips Lane Fish and Chips episode. I applaud you, Dave, for finally doing something to ensure a successful episode. Bravo! I'm sure the dozens of people that watch will also appreciate your planning.
But the construction styles on this campus can be very diverse. Some buildings being built in what I would call the ugly 80s concrete slab style, that you will see later in the video.
It may seem that all is the same here, that Dave is just following his standard method of operation, aimlessly wandering around, hoping to stumble across his final destination. But on this episode that simply isn't true. So it's finally time to park and proceed on foot to the Student Union building, the final destination and location of the Pizza Forno vending unit.
Alright, so you gotta pay by app if you're gonna come here for pizza. Just so you're aware. Beautiful though. I guess this is the building we're looking for. I'm not sure. It doesn't look. Some buildings look very old here, don't they, Lucinda?
Yes, they
Some
do.
Some look very 70s. Some of them look very. Not exactly sure. Kind of like a, I don't know, like a city mall that was around about 20 years ago. But let's go check it out. Hand cleaning station, music. You still have to wear a mask here indoor at UWO. So if you come here, or Western, I guess, don't call it UWO anymore. Western, you have to wear a mask inside, so if you come here for a pizza, bring a mask.
While Dave searches for the Pizza Forno fresh hot pizza vending machine, let's share with the viewers some facts about our guide Jordan Drew. Jordan. Wrong Jordan Drew, Jordan, again wrong Jordan Drew. That's better. Jordan Drew is a graduate of Western University. Jordan in fact holds 2 degrees from this grand institution. So if anyone is qualified to find this machine, it's Jordan. Young Master Drew actually has a podcast with his partner Mike. When I say partner, I mean co-host. Not that there is anything wrong with that. In their podcasts they interview actors that have acted in Star Trek. I is way more interesting than this crap, and I personally would recommend it. See the link in the description. Our duo determine this level is void of pizza and decide to descend a level.
Over. Thanks for helping me find it. It's gone, I guess, eh? It's gone. We missed it by 2 weeks. So he told us in the pharmacy. It was right there, right next to that coffee machine, espresso deal right there. So that's it. We didn't find the machine. If you know where we can go to one, let's go by. let us know below. Comment, share, like, one person at a time. I'm Big Dave, and this has been By the Slice. We'll see you soon.